Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Canyon Denali Crew in a sterling metallic. This one is powered by a 2.7 liter TurboMax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black teak interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides, with our Denali badging here in the middle with our teak stitching along these sides. Of course, we have our power seat controls here at the bottom left. And up top, we have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroll wheel here at the top left. And of course, our climate controls right here. Further down, we do have our USB-C and USB charge ports, our wireless charging pad, drive modes, shifter, park brake, 2 cup holders, and inside the middle console, we do have additional storage and space. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we do have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks and our seat memory settings. And if we take a look up in the windshield, we do have our heads-up display. Moving along down to the steering wheel here on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls, our heated steering wheel, and our menu selector. On the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as our forward collision alert. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you'll see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. Over here, you'll find our push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Up top, we have our power controls for our lovely sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black teak interior leather seats. In the middle, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports, our 2 vents to go alongside 2 cup holders, and cubbies behind each front seat with additional storage. In the middle, we have our cup holders, as well as these seats do have additional storage underneath. Just flick the lever up top. You'll find it here on the left-hand side. Inside, we do have additional storage. And of course, lastly, we do have our rear sliding window. Checking out the exterior here, we do have our chrome grille with our GMC badge in the middle, our LED headlights and fog lamps. And moving along to the side here, if we take a look, we do have our Bridgestone tires on 20-inch rims, chrome accents on our side mirrors and our handles, as well as our running boards. We also have keyless entry, like I mentioned earlier, tint in the rear window. Making our way to the back here, we do have corner assist steps on each side of the bed. Denali badge here in the front, and of course our spare tire. If we take a look here in the back, we open up the lift gate here, you'll see our spray on bedliner, and of course our 120 volt outlet here on the right hand side. And that is our 2026 GMC Canyon Denali in a sterling metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.